I've taken the liberty of logging you in. Welcome to...
Do not be afraid. I am peace. I am salvation.
Apologies for the inconvenience, Reclaimer. This file will go over the Gravemind. Once the Flood infection reaches a certain peak, infected individuals will begin merging with each other until they form a mass known as a Proto-Gravemind. Once this mass has been formed, nearby infected will continue to supply it with corpses and fresh bodies, allowing it to grow in size. Eventually, this mass will gain sentience from all the memories and minds it's consumed. It will become self-aware. It will become a Gravemind. The Flood Gravemind houses the memories and intelligence of every being ever consumed by the Flood infection. The Gravemind has the ability to assume direct and complete control over all Flood creatures, and is arguably one of the most intelligent beings in existence.
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine, and sing victory everlasting.